Okay, we're gonna walk outside and I'm gonna take you on a little tour of the where this big houseboat is docked. Of course, they have 4 water skis ready to go here on the back of it. And we're gonna walk over here to the slip. And here is one of the, this is their bass boat. And as we walk down the side down here, I'm sure you can't see much, but what I'll do is I'll go over here to the neighbor where they have this big gigantic yacht. Okay, and we're going to take a look at another boat that he has that we're going to actually go out today on. And oh, the sun's coming up. There is the boat we're going to go out today on and cruise around. And as I turn around here, this is the big yacht, but here's a good view of the houseboat here. It's called Living Our Dream. Living Our Dream. Okay. So this is, like I say, Saturday morning. We're going to be staying here today and tomorrow Sunday, and we're going to be driving back to Phoenix Monday. But I'll take you on a tour. In fact, I'll have Ted. Ted happens to be the president of the yacht club, and I will have Ted take you on a tour later today.